Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the configuration of the Big Green Egg for smoking. So for long smoke, when I say long smoke, we're talking Texas style, Memphis style, 15 to 22 hour smoke. So I'm going to do a brisket, but there's a lot of prep work you got to do on the Big Green Egg to make sure everything's set up properly before you put the meat on for something that long of a smoke. First thing you want to do is, prior to this, I vacuumed out this area down here with the shop vac, so you can see there's nothing in there. That's very important because on the Big Green Egg, it's all about airflow. So airflow comes in from the bottom through this vent, ultimately comes up, back through the back, and then up through the top. So controlling that airflow is critical, and if you've got too much stuff down there in the bottom vent underneath the grate, it's going to prevent that airflow, and for long smoke, your smoke's going to go out eventually, and you're going to be stuck with a brisket or a pork shoulder on the grill that's halfway done with no smoke. So